Yeah, good morning, children. How are you all? Can you all hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Saujanya? Saujanya? Can you hear my voice? Neha, please unmute yourself. Neha, can you hear my voice? Okay, children. Right. So today we are going to discuss about the elements of geometry. Okay. Chapter 3, the elements of geometry. Right. So in previous class, we have discussed second chapter, that is polynomials and factorization, and I have given some homework to you. Have you all completed your homework? How many of you completed your homework? How many of you completed your homework? Son, okay, very good, children. Almost all students have done homework. Okay, very good. So today we are going to discuss about the elements of geometry. Okay, chapter 3, the elements of geometry. Okay, and the aim of the topic is solving exercise 3.1 problems. Okay, here in this chapter only one exercise is there. So the aim of the topic is solving exercise 3.1 problems. Okay, and the agenda is introduction of the elements of geometry, history, Euclid's elements, undefined terms, axioms and postulates. Okay, so this is our agenda. So first of all, introduction. Actually, what is, can you say who is the father of geometry? Who is the father of geometry? Jishan, please unmute yourself.
Euclid.
Very good. Very good, Jishan, you are absolutely right. So Euclid is the father of geometry. Can you say something about him? Do you know? Okay, children. See, all of you open your textbook. All of you open your textbook. Open the chapter. See here, introduction is given. All of you once read that introduction. See, I am reading here. Read from third paragraph. Okay. Okay, see here it is given that the size and shape of a structure include the foundation, plinth area, size of the walls, elevation, roof, etc. To understand the geometric principles involved in these constructions, we should know the basic elements of geometry and their applications. Okay. And this is the next paragraph. We also know that geometry is, widely used in daily life activities such as paintings, handicrafts, laying of floor designs, farming, and sowing of seeds in fields. Okay. So in other words, we can say that the life without geometry is unimaginable. Okay. So our life without geometry is unimaginable. Okay, children. See the great for example, see the great construction like pyramids in Egypt. Okay, the Great Wall of China, temples. Okay, masjids. Okay, Taj Mahal, Charminar. So, Ultras in India, Eiffel Tower of France, etc., are some of the best examples of application of geometry. See, these all great constructions are constructed with the help of geometry only. So, without geometry, we cannot construct them. Okay. Even if you want to draw a triangle also, we need the geometry. Okay. If you want to draw a shape, suppose in your house a garden is there. So if I ask the garden is in which shape, means you will say immediately rectangle shape. Okay. So to decide a place, garden, your field or something, anything, so we need the geometry knowledge. Without geometry knowledge, we cannot decide anything. Means, so without geometry, our life unimaginable, he's saying that. Okay. So in this chapter, we will look into the history to understand the roots of geometry and the different schools of thought that have developed the geometry and its comparison with modern geometry. Okay. See here, a brief history is given about geometry. The dimensions of mathematics which study the shapes and sizes of structures are described under geometry. So already just now we have discussed the dimensions of mathematics which study the shapes and sizes of structures are described under geometry. Okay. So any size and any shape, to draw any size and any shape, so the geometry is involved. Okay. If you want to draw something like a bird or animal, okay, if you want to draw something, so in every drawing the geometry is involved. Okay. And see, actually the word geometry is derived from Greek. The word geometry is taken from Greek language. Okay. So which language, from which language the word geometry has taken? From
Greek
Greek.
language.
Okay. So in Greek language, the word geometry has taken. So in Greek language, geometry, again, it is divided into two parts. One is geo and metron. So geo means earth and metron means measures. Okay. So the word geometry is divided into two parts, that is geo and metron. So geo means, in Greek language, geo means earth, metron means measurements. Okay. So this is the brief introduction about geometry. And now and see here, now Jishan Ali, he said that who is the father of geometry, means immediately he said that Euclid. Okay. So all of you appreciate to Jishan. See here, the father of geometry. So the founder of geometry. So first of all, described about geometry is Euclid. Okay. So Alexandria in Egypt. Okay. So the Euclid has written 13 books. Okay. 13 books. They are called the elements. Okay. So the father of geometry is Euclid. Okay. The founder of geometry is Euclid. So Euclid has written 13 books about geometry. Okay. So that 13 books name, they are called the elements. Okay. So thus Euclid created the first system of thought based on fundamental definitions, axioms, propositions, and rules of inference through logic. So now we can say proudly Euclid is the father of geometry, and without him there is no geometry. Okay. So now we can observe that to draw any figure, okay, if you want to draw triangle, rectangle, or any shape, if you want to draw any bird or animal, okay, any shape you want to draw, so under that the geometry. Okay. So that is why we can say that the Euclid is the father of geometry. Okay. And according to Euclid, he has given some axioms and postulates. Okay. See here, observe this figure. It is a cuboid. So we are using a cuboid. Okay. See, cuboid is if we know that the cuboid has 3 dimensions: length, breadth, height. Okay. So if we remove one dimension, if we remove one dimensions, it have only length and breadth. Okay. And if we remove one more dimension, it has only length. If we remove that dimension also, it have only point. It means, see here, about it is given. Observe the figure given in the next page. Okay. This figure is a cuboid. Okay. So it has 3 dimensions, namely length, breadth, and height. If it loses one dimension, that is height, then it will have only 2 dimensions, which becomes a rectangle. Okay. So if it lost one dimension, that is height, this figure cuboid has 3 dimensions. Okay. Length, breadth, height. Suppose if we remove one dimension, that is height, it has only length and it become a rectangle. Okay. It become a rectangle and it have only 2 dimensions, that is length and breadth. Okay. And see, you know that a rectangle has 2 dimensions, length and breadth. Okay. If it further loses another dimension, that is breadth, then it will live with only line segment. Okay. So already it is shown in the figure. It has shown in the figure. First of all, we have taken the figure cuboid and we removed one dimension, that is height. So the cuboid became rectangle. So we all know that the rectangle have again 2 dimensions, that is length and breadth. So if we remove one more dimension, that is breadth, the rectangle becomes a line segment. Okay. Now see. If it has to lose one more dimension, there remain only one point. Okay. We may recall that a point has no dimensions. Okay. Similarly, when we see the edge of a table or a book, we can visualize it has a line. The end point of a line or the point where 2 lines meet is a point. Okay, children. So like this, we have taken cuboid, we removed one dimension, height. it became rectangle. In this rectangle, again, two dimensions, length and breadth are there. We removed one more dimension, that is height. It became a line segment. So the line segment have only one dimension. So if we remove that also, it will become a point. Okay. So here cuboid is the 3D figure, 3-dimension figure. Rectangle is the 2-dimension figure, 2D figure. Line segment is the 1-dimensional figure. Okay. And point is there is no dimension. Okay. See children, here Euclid's photo is given. So this person is the Euclid. So a great person. So he is the founder of geometry, or we can call that he is the father of geometry. Okay. And these are the fundamental terms of geometry. With the use of these terms, other terms like line segment, angle, triangle, etc. are defined. Okay, so they are all defined terms. Okay, line segment, angle, triangle, so all are defined. Okay, so according to Euclid defined point, line, and plane in book 1 of his Elements. So Euclid listed 23 definitions. Some of them are given below. Okay. So according to Euclid, point, line, and plane. So these three terms are undefined terms. Every term we can define, but according to Euclid, the undefined terms are point, line, and plane. Okay. And he has given some definitions for point, line, and plane. So observe carefully. A point is that which has no part. Okay. So just point means we will write like this. So a point is that which has no part. Okay. Any part not there for this point. Point means just point only. Okay. And a line is breadthless length. Okay. So if you draw a line, it is breadthless length. It means without breadth. Okay. Right. The ends of a line are points. The ends of a line are points. Suppose here this line is there. So here ending point is ending. This ending corner is, we call it is point. Okay. And a straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points of on itself. Okay. And a surface is that which has length and breadth only. Okay. A surface has length and breadth only. See here given surface. Okay. It is solid figure. This is surface, length and breadth, rectangle. Okay. The edges of surface are lines. Already we have discussed. Okay. So like this, the point, line, and plane. So Euclid has given some definitions, but according to Euclid, these are all undefined terms. Okay. So what are the undefined terms? The undefined terms are point, line, and plane. Okay. So we take a point, a line, and a plane. In Euclid's words, a plane surface as undefined terms. Okay. And he has given some axioms and postulates. Okay. Euclid has given some axioms and postulates. See what is given axioms and postulates. Let us see here. See, some of the Euclid's axioms are given below. Okay. So first one is things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. Okay. So things which are equal to same things are equal to one another. Suppose take two ninth class mathematics textbook. Okay. If you take that two mathematics textbook, they are same in size and shape. Okay. They are same in size and shape. Like this. So things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. And If equals are added to equals, the wholes are also equal. Okay. So if equals are added to equals, the wholes also will become equal. Okay. So like this. So some axioms are given Euclid, and mainly we have to discuss postulates. Okay. Euclid's some postulates he has given. Okay, so we should discuss. These are very important postulates. So let us see what is the first postulate. Okay, postulate one. See, listen carefully here. There is a unique line that passes through the given two distinct points. Okay, in Euclid's terms, to draw a straight line from any point to any other point, right? So what is saying that there is a unique line that passes through the given two distinct points. It means through the given two distinct points. Here see P and Q are two distinct points, two different points. Okay. So from these two distinct points, we can draw only one line. We can draw only one line segment. So more than one we cannot draw. So this is the Euclid first postulate. Okay. So from the given two distinct points, we can draw only one line. Okay, more than one we cannot draw, right? So this is the here already he has drawn and he has shown here. Okay, we can observe carefully, right? Now postulate two. What is given postulate two? First postulate is there is a unique line that passes through the given two distinct points. And here see postulate 2 is given. A line segment can be extended on either side from a straight line. Okay. See here PQ is the line segment. It can be extended this side, left side and right side endlessly. Okay, it means the line segment we can extend it left side and also right side endlessly. So this is the postulate 2. See here figure is given PQ line segment. It is extended left side and right side. Okay, children. Now see postulate 3. See postulate 3. What is given? We can describe a circle with any center and any radius. Okay. So we can describe a circle with any center and any radius. Suppose here see if we observe these circles, here center is given P and radius is given 3 centimeters. So from this center P with 3 centimeters radius, we can draw one circle. And if we take another center Q, and if we take the radius 4 centimeters, so we can draw with that also we can draw a circle. Otherwise, if we take another point R and the radius 4.5 centimeters, we can draw with this also we can draw the circle. Again, if we take another center that is S, and if we take the radius 5 centimeters, so with this also we can draw a circle. It means, what is the meaning of this word? We can describe a circle with any center and any radius. Okay, it means we can draw a circle with any center and any radius. Okay, here from center P with 3 centimeters radius, we drew our circle. From center Q with 4 centimeter radius, we draw one more circle. From center R with 4.5 centimeter radius, we draw another circle. Okay, like this, from any center with any radius, we can describe a circle. We can draw a circle. So this is the postulate 3. And next, postulate 4. Okay. All right angles are equal to one another. All right angles are equal to one another. So if we draw a right angle, Right angle means it is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, right angle means it is equal to 90 degrees. So to draw anywhere the right angle, okay, it is equal. It is equal to one another. See here some figures are given. If we draw like this, here angle B is the right angle. Okay. And if we draw like this also, here angle B, if you measure it, it becomes it. Here we get right angle, that is 90 degrees. And if we draw like this also, at B only we get right angle 90 degrees. And if we draw like this also, we will get right angle at B only. It means if we draw any rectangle, any right angle, okay, it will show same. Okay. So this is postulate 4. And coming to postulate 5. If a straight line is falling on two straight lines, make the interior angles on the same side of the has taken together is less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced infinitely, meet on that side on which the same of the angles is less than two right angles. Okay. So here two lines we have drawn and a transversal has drawn here. Two angles are here. Here we made two angles. Okay. The two angles are the less than two right angles. These two angles which we have taken, the two angles are less than the right angle. Okay. So these are the postulates, Euclid's postulates. 5 postulates are given. Okay. And see here. So along with them, some more points are given. Some more postulates. There are some throw a point not on a given line, exactly one parallel line may be drawn to the given line. It means from a given point, we can draw so many lines like this. Okay, through the given point, we can draw so many lines. And the second one is the sum of angles of any triangle is a constant and it is equal to two right angles. It means sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, that is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Already we have discussed in previous classes. See, there exists a pair of lines everywhere equidistant from one another. Okay. So like this, if we draw two lines, they are equidistant from one another. So we call them, they are parallel lines. Okay. So parallel lines means they never meet. And see children, now all of you open exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Open exercise 3.1. See the first question, first bit is given. Answer the following. Answer the following. Some questions are given. So till now what we have discussed, that based on that some questions are there here. So all of you see carefully and listen. How many dimensions a solid has? Okay. So Nitin, please unmute yourself. Nitin, unmute yourself. Nitin, can you say how many dimensions a solid has? Solid figure means 3-dimensional figure. Like cube, cuboid. Okay. How many dimensions will be a solid figure? Swami, can you say the answer? Yes, Swami. Please unmute yourself. K. Swami. How many dimensions? Okay. Solid figure means cube, cuboid. Okay. So how many dimensions a solid has? So 3 dimensions. Okay. 3 dimensions. What are they? 3 dimensions. They are length, breadth, and height. Okay. Length, breadth, and height. Next, second question. How many books are there in Euclid's Elements? Who will say this answer? How many books are there in Euclid's Elements? Who will say this answer? How many books are there in Euclid's Elements? Ahmad, Mustaq Ahmad, please unmute yourself.
13, sir.
Very good. Very good, Ahmad. You are absolutely right. So there
Thank you,
are
sir.
13 books in Euclid's Elements. Okay. Harshita, please unmute yourself. Okay, children. Now the next question. See, the next question is given. Write the number of faces of a cube and cuboid.
Sir, 6.
6 faces are there. Who said that answer?
Sir, me.
Okay, Harshita. Very good, Harshita. So a cube and cuboid have 6 faces, right? So let us see how they are. They have 6 faces, a cube and cuboid. See, if you draw a figure cube and cuboid, suppose see here. See, this is the figure cuboid. Okay. This is the figure cuboid. We have 6 faces. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So like this, any figure have cube and cuboid 6 faces. Okay. So write the answer. 6 faces. Write the number of faces cube and cuboid. For cube, 6 faces will be, and cuboid also 6 faces. Right. And the next question. What is the sum of interior angles of a triangle? Just now we have discussed. Who will say this answer? What is the, yes, Swati Priya. Can you please say, unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Sum of 3 interior angles in a triangle.
180 degrees.
Very good, Swati. You are absolutely right. Well done. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Sum of 3 angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So many times in previous classes we have discussed sum of the 3 angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. And the next question, see here. Write three undefined terms of geometry. What are the three undefined terms of geometry? You say this answer. Bhavani.
Point, line, ray, sir.
Very good, Bhavani. A point, line, and plane.
Thank you, sir.
You are absolutely right. Excellent, Bhavani. So, the three, according to Euclid, the three undefined terms are a point, line, and plane. Just now we have discussed, right? So, right there, the three undefined terms are point, line, and plane. Point, line, and plane. Okay, right. Now see second bit. First bit is completed. Now see the second bit here. State whether the following statements are true or false. Also give reasons for your answer. Okay. So see here, first one. Only one line can pass through a given point. Only one line can pass through a given point. Is true or false? Who will say this answer? Only one line can pass through a given point. Pujita, uh, Swati Priya. Please unmute yourself, Swati Priya.
False, sir.
False. Very good. Can you say the reason why?
Many lines can pass through a point.
Yes, yes, excellent, Swati Priya. You are absolutely right. So why? Because we can draw so many lines through the given point. Okay. See, I will show that here it is given. It is possible to draw only one line through a given point, but we can draw many lines through a given point. See here, the point P is there. Only one line can run from this point P. It has drawn so many lines now. So like this, so through a given point, we can draw infinitely number of lines we can draw. So the given statement is false. So what is the correct statement? We can draw many lines through the given point. So right there. Okay. So write the answer. It is false. So write the reason. We can draw many lines through the given point. Okay. Next. All right angles are equal given. All right angles are equal. It is true or false? Sahasra, please unmute yourself.
Sir, true, sir.
Very good, Sahasra. You are absolutely right. So all right angles are equal. Just now we have discussed, no? So when we draw a right angle anywhere, so it is equal. When we measure that right angle, when we measure it, it become it will show 90 degrees only. Okay, see here. According to Euclid's postulate 3, okay, so any right angle, if you draw any shape also, see here, first right angle, angle ABC, the right angle is at B. If you measure here, we get 90 degrees. If we draw like this also, if we measure at B, we get 90 degrees angle. If we draw like this also, yeah, if we measure the angle at B, we get 90 degrees only. If we draw like this ABC, so if we measure at B, we get there 90 degrees only. So from this, we can say that all right angles are equal. Okay. So the given statement is true, right? And see the next one is Circles with same radii are equal. What is going here? Circles with same radii are equal. It is true or false? Circles with the same radii are equal. It means if the radius of two circles are equal, then the two circles are equal, he is saying. It is true or false? Jishan, Saya Jishan, please unmute yourself.
True, sir.
Very good, Jishan. It is absolutely right. So, all right angle, circles with same radii are equal. So, it is true. It is also true. It means if we draw the circles with the same radii, they are equal. Suppose I have drawn one circle with 3 centimeter radius. One more circle I have drawn. So with the same radius, they are equal. Okay. Why? Because we drawn the two circles with 3 centimeters only, right? So circles with the same radii are equal. And a line segment can be extended on its breadth both sides endlessly to get a straight line. Yes, it is also true. According to postulate 2, a line segment can be extended on its both sides endlessly to get a straight line. Suppose see here, see this is the line segment PQ. Okay. So to get a straight line, we can extend it this endlessly. This line segment can be extended. So it is also true. And the last one is from the figure AB is greater than AC. Okay, here figure is given, the line is given AB. So saying that AB is greater than AC. Yes, it is also absolutely true. Why? Because AB is the whole and AC is the one part in that. Right? So clearly we can say that it is AB is greater than AC. Okay, children. So this is the introduction and about Euclid's geometry, and the remaining problems we will discuss in the next class. The time is up. Thank you, children. Thank you all.
Good morning, students. Welcome to Sanvi Learning Services. I'm your Hindi teacher, myself, Babu sir. How are you all? How are you? Okay. Previously, I have asked to you just to complete CW, just to show me how many members completed CW. Everybody, please show me your CW. What happened? Jishan Sayyed. सैयद जीशान एक बार बात करो.
यस सर।
हाँ, CW शुरुआत की है आप? कौन सा लेसन कंप्लीट हुआ?
सर योर वॉइस इज नॉट रीचिंग मी।
Which lesson do you have completed CW in the CW? Is it clear? You can hear me?
यस नाउ सर।
हाँ. Which lesson do you have completed? जीशान, कौन सा लेसन आप कंप्लीट कर चुके हो?
सर थर्ड लेसन।
थर्ड लेसन कंप्लीटेड?
हाउ?
व्हाट इज द थर्ड लेसन? बदले अपनी सोच.
यस सर।
ओके ओके ओके. थर्ड लेसन कंप्लीटेड. ओके. ओके. Dear students, ओके, मैं आप सबको बताया था हमारे पार्ट में से कुछ सिलेबस निकाल दिए गए हैं, शायद आप सब लोग लिख चुके हो. Did I tell up to now? I said it so many times. Once again, I'm telling our syllabus. I have removed some lessons in that. So, right, everyone. Once again, I will tell. Ninth class, the fourth lesson, Prakriti ki seek. It's removed. Okay. And fifth lesson, football. Football also removed. And 12th lesson, Jago Grahak Jago. That particular lesson also have removed. And last Upwachak after 12th, अपना स्थान स्वयं बनाए. Fourth Upwachak, non-detail 4. Okay. That also removed. Okay. Gautam Sai Tandu. It's clear? Unmute. हाँ.
यस सर.
हाँ, जो मैं कहा सुना?
यस सर.
राइट. कौन सा पार्ट निकाल दिया गया है?
सर फोर्थ, फिफ्थ,
हाँ.
12 एंड फोर्थ उपवाचक.
Yes. And in the last session, did you attend?
नो सर.
Okay. And what about your CW?
Sir, it's completed second lesson.
Then please don't delay it as early as possible. Complete CW.
Yes, sir.
Okay? And don't hide
Okay,
any
sir.
question. Don't hide any question. In the
Okay, sir.
content, what grammar part, what question answers are given, everything you have to write. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. सब लोग अपने कैमरा ऑन करो. Okay. MD Eftikar, unmute.
सर।
हाँ, आप CW शुरुआत किए?
हाँ सर।
कौन सा लेसन में हो?
4th लेसन सर।
4th lesson is going on.
ओह, डी स्कूल्स में सर।
No. What I'm telling in the CW, like how many lessons did you complete CW? Copywriting.
3rd चैप्टर कंप्लीट है सर।
Third
3rd
chapter.
लेसन पर।
Third lesson completed.
यस सर।
एक बार दिखा सकते हो आपका CW?
ओके सर।
ओके, जल्दी। और जो लोग अपने CW कंप्लीट किया है 3rd लेसन तक, प्लीज एक थम्स अप सिंबल लगाओ। उसके द्वारा मैं समझ सकता हूं कि आपका CW कंप्लीट हुआ है। हाँ, एफ्तिकर, प्लीज शो मी।
ढूंढना पड़ेगा सर, नहीं मिल रहा।
अयो, लिखे हो तुम सही में।
यस सर।
ओके, लास्ट क्लास तुम अटेंड हुआ?
नो सर।
क्यों?
एंडिंग में हुआ सर।
प्लीज हर रोज अटेंड होने के लिए प्रयत्न करो। जो सिलेबस अगर कंप्लीट होगा तो आपको ही मुश्किल होगा ना। अब जो हम लोग सुन चुके हैं, स्कूल शुरुआत होने के बाद वापस आपके अध्यापक के द्वारा आप लोग सुनेंगे, लेकिन आपको रिवाइज होएगा ना। Like you can get opportunity once again. You will get opportunity to listen each and every lesson. Then it will be easy for you. Then please attend every day. Okay, each and every subject. Okay, thank you. Akshay, BL Akshay, what about your CWs? Show me with your finger. 3rd completed. Okay. Did you attend the last class? Very good. Last class, एक बार unmute करो। अक्षय।
Sir.
Last class तुम सुन चुके हो। Very good.
Yes, sir.
In the last session, what we taught?
सर बदलो अपने सोच।
हाँ, लेसन का समाप्त हो गया।
Yes, sir.
ओके, समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
ओके ओके।
Okay, sir.
एक प्रश्न पूछ सकता हूं मैं?
हाँ, ask, sir.
हाँ, instead of Yugaratna Srivastav, if you are there, then
Sir.
what you will do, what you will talk in the UNO?
Sir, I will also talk about, sir, our environment and our surrounding should
This
be.
is Akshay, very good. But please try to speak in Hindi. Why? Because our subject Hindi subject, no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, युगरत्न श्रीवास्तव के स्थान पर अगर आप रहेंगे तो आप कौन कौन से प्रश्न पूछेंगे?
मैं
जनरल क्वेश्चन।
सर हिंदी। सर हिंदी I did not get, sir.
Don't tell like that. Just it is our national language.
Yes,
Trying
sir.
is right or wrong after that matter. Trying, not a problem. अगर आप युगरत्न श्रीवास्तव के स्थान पर होंगे तो आप कौन से प्रकार के प्रश्न पूछेंगे?
मैं अपना परिवार और अपना प्रकृति।
ओके। Okay, Akshay, but please try to speak in Hindi. It is a very important. Okay, oral is a very important. If you won't speak, you won't talk, then you will get a lot of problem. The way of writing in examination. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please try to speak in Hindi.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. कौन बता सकते हो अगर युगरत्न श्रीवास्तव के स्थान पर आप रहेंगे तो आप संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ के मंच के ऊपर से आप दुनिया भर के लिए कौन से प्रकार के प्रश्न पूछ सकेंगे? एक मौका है। Nobody? Nobody? What is this? कोई तो बताओ। पूर्णा, नलिनी, अनम्यूट।
Sir.
पूर्णा, लास्ट क्लास सुन चुकी हो तुम?
Yes, sir.
वेरी
Yes, sir.
Yes. The question, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Instead of the Yugratna Srivastava, if you are there, then what you will do, or which question do you will ask?
Sir, Hindi नहीं आता sir.
हाँ, you are speaking very well, no? हाँ, आप अच्छे से बात कर रही हो। प्रयत्न करो ऐसा ही, सही है गलत है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ट्राई।
Can I speak in English, sir?
English 100% you will give answer, but I want to listen Hindi. Try, no? ओके, बात करो। तुम्हारा अभिप्राय क्या है देखेंगे।
Sir, in English,
हाँ, ओके।
I will talk about don't cut the trees and keep surrounding cleaning and don't pollute the air.
Okay.
And
That's it.
yes, sir.
Only 2-3 sentences, no? Then why you can't try in Hindi? अगर मैं युगरत्ना श्रीवास्तव के स्थान पर रहूंगी तो मैं दुनिया भर के व्यक्तियों देशों को कहूंगी कि वृक्षों को नहीं काटना, हवा को स्वच्छ रखना, हमारे आजू बाजू के वातावरण को स्वच्छ रखना, पेड़ को बढ़ाना, जल को सुरक्षित रखना। सो इस तरह हम लोग कह सकते हैं ना। Yes or no? Okay. What about your CW, Purna? Purna. Unmute. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir, I completed.
Which lesson do you completed?
Till third, sir.
Third completed or going on?
Completed, sir.
Good. Okay. So today we are going to start our new lesson, the Tare Zameen Par. शायद आप सब लोग को मालूम है ये एक सिनेमा भी है। ओके, ये सिनेमा आमिर खान के निर्देशक में, निर्माता के रूप में इन्होंने काम किया। ये सिनेमा का निर्देशक, दैट मीन डायरेक्टर एंड प्रोड्यूसर आमिर खान। ओके, डिड यू सी दिस तारे ज़मीन पर मूवी? Purna, I'm asking to you. No? Okay. Just you after completing lesson, just you watch the movie. You will understand again. Okay, that means you will understand better. So आज हम लोग उपवाचक 1, the first उपवाचक. Okay, क्या है हमारा पाठ का नाम? तारे ज़मीन पर. Okay, see what is the information about this dot in the title? No? Purna, tell me. You don't know. See, just that is a common word, simple. If this dot won't be, if this dot not there, listen carefully first. If this dot not there, the pronunciation will be like a ja. If this dot is there, the pronunciation will come like a za. Za, like a jadiye. Okay. And without a dot, j, like a ja and a za. Like a za, one more example, like a Ramzan. Okay, Ramzan. If this dot is there, the pronunciation is a za. Clear? Tare Zameen Par. Okay, so तारे ज़मीन पर के कवियों के बारे में या तारे ज़मीन पर सिनेमा के पीछे जो लोग काम किए उनके बारे में हम लोग जानकारी प्राप्त करेंगे। निर्माता, प्रोड्यूसर, निर्देशक, डायरेक्टर कौन? आमिर खान। गीत, दैट मीन्स सिंगर, प्रसून जोशी। संगीत, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर शंकर एहसान लॉय। एंड कलाकार, लाइक actors, like who did work in this film. Okay, coast, we can say, like okay, Amir Khan, Darshil Safari, Tiska Chopra, Vipin Sharma, Sachet Engineer. ओके, सो क्या बता रहे हैं यहाँ, ये सिनेमा में जो जो लोग काम किए हैं वो कौन है? आमिर खान एक अध्यापक के रूप में काम करते हैं, दर्शिल सफारी एज अ स्टूडेंट, लाइक बिफोर एज दिस पिक्चर इज देयर इन द ऑन द स्क्रीन. ओके, दर्शिल सफारी एक विद्यार्थी के रूप में काम किया. टिस्का चोपड़ा, विपिन शर्मा और सचेत इंजीनियर, सम टेक्निकल इंजीनियर्स. ओके, सो क्या हुआ फिर पार्ट के अंतर्गत अगर हम लोग जाएंगे तो मैं पढ़ूंगा, कृपा करके आप सब लोग सुनो ध्यान से. ओके, लिसन केयरफुली. बच्चे ओस की बूंदों की तरह शुद्ध और पवित्र होते हैं, वे कल के नागरिक हैं. आजकल प्राय घर घर से टॉपर्स और रैंकर्स तैयार करने की कोशिश की जा रही है. कई लोग यह नहीं सोचते कि बच्चे के मन में क्या है, वे क्या सोचते हैं, उनके क्या विचार हैं. इन्हीं प्रश्नों को आमिर खान ने अपनी फिल्म तारे ज़मीं पर में उठाया है. फिल्म की कहानी इस प्रकार है. ओके, कहानी के अंतर्गत, कहानी से शुरुआत होने से पहले हम लोग ये पूरे जो बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन है ये कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके, सब लोग सुनो क्या बता रहे हैं यहाँ कविकार, रचनाकार और राइटर. व्हाट ही इज टेलिंग, बच्चे ओस की बूंदों की तरह शुद्ध और पवित्र होते हैं. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ देन ओस? ओस बोले तो क्या है? ड्यू, जो हम लोग हमारे आंखों से बहने वाले कुछ आंसू. ओके, नहीं तो बरसात के समय इन द रेनी टाइम वी कैन सी नो वाटर ड्रॉप. ओके, बरसात के समय जो आसमान से जो टपकती हैं वो बूंद, ओस की बूंद. ओके, सो लेकिन यहां क्या बता रहे हैं, जो इंसान के आंखों से जो बहने वाली ओस, ओके, वो कितना पवित्र रहती है, कितना शुद्ध रहती है, उसी तरह बच्चे के मन भी उसी तरह रहता है करके बता रहा है. ओके, ओके, बच्चे ओस की बूंदों की तरह शुद्ध और पवित्र होते हैं. सो आपके दिल और दिमाग शुद्ध और पवित्र है? अभिलाष कोयाड़ा, अभिलाष. సో क्या बता रहे यहाँ రైటర్, పిల్లల యొక్క మనసు లేదంటే పిల్లలు కన్నీటి నీటి బిందువు ఎంత పవిత్రంగా ఉంటుందో అలాగే పిల్లలు శుద్ధంగా అంటే నీటిగా పవిత్రంగా ఉంటారు అని ఇక్కడ రైటర్ చెప్తున్నాడు. మరి మీ మనసు అలా ఉందా? మీరు పవిత్రంగా అలా ఉన్నారా? అలా నీట్గా ఉన్నారా? శుద్ధ, ప్యూర్ అండ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. జస్ట్ it is depending on you. You can check how is it in, what is there in your heart inside, that a heart is a pure and a perfect. So let's check now. Then again what he is telling, see, वे कल के नागरिक हैं. नागरिक means citizens. Today's children, tomorrow's citizens. आज के बच्चे कल के नागरिक हैं. So ये भी एक कोटेशन, एक स्लोगन है, आज के बच्चे कल के नागरिक हैं. जो हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, जो विद्यार्थियां हैं, ये विद्यार्थियों के हाथों में ही देश की भविष्य है. सो कल आप लोग नागरिक बनेंगे, एक सिटीजन बनेंगे, यंगस्टर्स बनेंगे, तब आप एक एक पद के ऊपर रहेंगे, एक अच्छा सा ब्राइट फ्यूचर तैयार करेंगे. ओके, तब ये देश की जिम्मेदारी, देश की अभिवृद्धि आपके हाथ में रहती है. तो फिर आप कैसा रहना? गौतम, आस्क.
सर तुम्हारे वॉइस मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है सर.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है?
यस सर.
I think from your side, I think not the technical problem. It's now it is okay.
Now కొంచెం okay sir. Sir.
Now you can hear me.
Yes sir.
हाँ, ओके, तुम ऐसे लाइन में रहो, कुछ समाधान पूछोगे तो बता सकने के लिए भी मुझे उपयोग होगा. ओके,
Okay sir.
तो क्या बता रहे यहाँ, बच्चे ओस की बूंदों की तरह शुद्ध और पवित्र होते हैं, वे कल के नागरिक हैं. आज के बच्चे कल के नागरिक हैं. तो हमारे देश के भविष्य किनके हाथ में है? आजकल के बच्चों के हाथ में, जैसे आजकल के विद्यार्थियों के हाथ में। अगर आप विद्यार्थियां ठीक तरह से पढ़कर एक जिम्मेदारी के रूप में अपना हर एक काम समाप्त करके एक भविष्य का निर्माण करेंगे, एक ब्राइट फ्यूचर को आप क्रिएट करेंगे, तो कल के देश के भविष्य, हमारे देश की प्रगति, देश की अभिवृद्धि आपके हाथों में रहती है। इसलिए हर एक भाषा में ये कहावत है, ये कोटेशन है। कौन सा? नेटी बालले रेपटी पौरुलु, आज के बच्चे कल के नागरिक। Today's children, tomorrow's citizen. Then our country future is there in your hand. In your hand mean in the students' hand. आप जैसे विद्यार्थियों के हाथ में हमारे देश के भविष्य है। अगर विद्यार्थी की दशा में ही हम लोग ठीक तरह से नहीं पढ़ेंगे, हमारी जिम्मेदारी ठीक तरह से नहीं निभाएंगे, तो कुछ हासिल कर सकेंगे? कुछ हासिल कर सकेंगे गौतम?
सर
अगर विद्यार्थी as a student, if you want to complete your what is your basic work, then can we achieve anything in future?
no sir.
No. Okay, just you listen carefully. When I will ask the question, please reply me. Okay, so that's why he is saying आजकल प्रायः घर घर से टॉपर्स और रैंकर्स तैयार करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। What is the meaning of प्रायः, गौतम?
I don't know sir.
Trying. According to the sentence, just you understand, आजकल प्रायः घर घर से टॉपर्स और रैंकर्स तैयार करने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
सर आजकल
Okay, then listen. Praya mean nothing but generally. Okay, what does it mean? Generally. Sadharananga. Okay, sadharan रूप से, sadharananga, generally. What you are saying nowadays, it is common. Generally, each and every parents are motivating to their children to become like a first ranker, second ranker. But parents, they are not thinking what is there in my child heart inside. He have a capacity to achieve the first and second rank or not, they won't think. Just they are giving, they are passing orders, I need first rank. Then each and every house in that same matter, no? आजकल प्राय घर घर से टॉपर्स और रैंकर्स तैयार करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। ప్రస్తుతం సాధారణంగా ప్రతి ఇంట్లో నుండి తల్లిదండ్రులు వాళ్ళ పిల్లల్ని టాపర్స్ గా ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ లో చూడడానికి, ర్యాంకర్స్ ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్ సెకండ్ ర్యాంకర్ గా ఉండడానికి, అలా ఉండడానికే ప్రేరేపిస్తున్నారు, మోటివేట్ చేస్తున్నారు। కానీ ఏ తల్లిదండ్రులు కూడా ఆలోచించట్లేదు, कोई भी सोचते नहीं। कई लोग यह नहीं सोचते कि बच्चे के मन में क्या है, but they are not thinking what is there in my child in heart inside, what he want to become. Nobody will think उनके क्या विचार हैं, what his opinion or her opinion, मेरे बेटे का ओपिनियन क्या है, उनके दिल के विचार क्या है, वो पढ़ाई में दिलचस्पी रखती है या कोई दूसरे काम करने में दिलचस्पी रखती है, वो कोई भी माता पिता नहीं सोचते। केवल सोचते हैं अच्छे से पढ़ना, टॉप में आना, टॉपर होना, रैंक लाना, 10 लाना, A1+ ग्रेड लाना, यही। लेकिन मेरे बेटा में क्या है, उनकी रुचि क्या है, वो पढ़ाई में दिलचस्पी है क्या नहीं, उसे कौन सा काम करने में पसंद है करके कोई भी माता पिता नहीं सोचते हैं। बच्चों के दिमाग पर प्रेशर डालते हैं। ऐसे प्रेशर डालने से हम लोग का रिजल्ट प्राप्त करेंगे। ओके ओके गौतम, ओके, हाँ म्यूट, नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम, ओके ओके, हाँ ओके। सो ऐसे प्रेशर डालने से हम लोग का रैंक प्राप्त करेंगे, कुछ काम करेंगे? नो। सो पेरेंट्स मस्ट शुड बी थिंक व्हाट इज देयर द चाइल्ड हार्ट इनसाइड। चिन्नी, sit properly, you're playing okay, so listen, so क्या बता रहे हैं यहां, कई लोग यह नहीं सोचते कि बच्चों के मन में क्या है। नो पेरेंट आर थिंकिंग व्हाट इज देयर माय चाइल्ड हर्ट इनसाइड। वे क्या सोचते हैं, व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग, उनके क्या विचार है, व्हाट देयर ओपिनियन, दे आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन नॉट इन एजुकेशन, in which thing they have interest, nobody thinking, but it is not fair। as a parent, you have to think your child, what she want to become, what he want to become, what work inside they have like interest, but no mother or no father will think. इसीलिए पेरेंट्स को बता रहे हैं यहाँ, ये पहले प्यारा में हर एक माता पिता को रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है यहाँ రచనకార్. ప్రియమైనటువంటి తల్లిదండ్రులారా, మీ పిల్లలు ఏం కావాలనుకుంటున్నారు, వాళ్ళకు ఏ పని చేయడంలో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది, వాళ్ళు ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్ తీసుకురావాలి, టాపర్స్ గా ఉండాలని వాళ్ళ మెదడు పైన బలవంతం చేయడం కంటే, వాళ్ళని ఫోర్స్ చేయడం కంటే, వాళ్ళని ఫ్రీగా వదిలిపెట్టండి, వాళ్ళు చేసేటువంటి పనిని గౌరవించండి. ప్రతి వ్యక్తి ర్యాంక్ సాధించాలనే రూల్ ఏం లేదు. చదువు కంటే ఎన్నెన్నో గొప్ప పనులు ఉన్నాయి, కానీ చదివే బేసిక్ కాదనట్లేదు. కానీ పిల్లల యొక్క మైండ్ మీద, హార్ట్ మీద ప్రెషర్ అనేది పెట్టొద్దు అని ఇక్కడ రైటర్, రచనాకారుడు చెప్తున్నాడు ఈ సినిమా ద్వారా. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? Did you understand everyone up to now? Yes. Then इन्हीं प्रश्नों को आमिर खान ने अपनी फिल्म तारे ज़मीं पर में उठाया है. फिल्म की कहानी इस प्रकार है. सो यही एक, ये पहला प्यारा में जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, जो संदेश है, यही संदेश को लेकर आमिर खान ने तारे ज़मीं पर सिनेमा का निर्माण किया है. ये सिनेमा में इसी सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार ये सिनेमा को तैयार किया है. और फिल्म की कहानी इस प्रकार है. What is the story of this particular movie that he is telling? See, 8 वर्षीय ईशान अवस्थी. What is the character name? Ishan Avasthi. Sorry, what is the person name, the boy name? Ishan Avasthi. Then character name Darshil Safari in the movie. Okay, 8 वर्षीय, he is a 8 years old boy. Okay, 8 वर्षीय ईशान अवस्थी दर्शिल सफारी का मन पढ़ाई के बजाय कुत्तों, मछलियों और पेंटिंग में लगता है. उसके माता पिता चाहते हैं कि वह अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दे, लेकिन कोई नतीजा नहीं निकलता. ईशान घर पर माता पिता की डांट खाता है और स्कूल में अध्यापकों की. कोई भी यह जानने की कोशिश नहीं करता कि ईशान पढ़ाई पर ध्यान क्यों नहीं दे रहा है. इसके बजाय वे ईशान को बोर्डिंग स्कूल भेज देते हैं. क्या बता रहे हैं यहाँ? 8 वर्षीय ईशान अवस्थी, द 8 years old boy, his character name, it is a Darshil Safari. He's according to the movie, he's not getting interest in education, but instead of that education, he's getting interest, he's showing interest to play with the dogs, to play with the fishes, to do painting. If anybody will do the painting, the big apartments, he will stand on the road and he will watch them. And that particular things upon he is getting interested on that particular things. But any parent will ask, I want to play with puppies, dogs and fishes. I'm not getting interest in education. If you will tell to your parent, will they agree? Will they agree? No. They will give 2 slaps here and there. No? What you're talking, the education is a very, very important. And you are saying, I'm not getting interest in education. I don't want to listen like that things. What you will do, I don't know. You study, 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 study. చదవాలి, చదువు, చదువు, చదువు. కానీ పిల్లల మనసులో ఏముందో ఏ తల్లిదండ్రులు గమనించరు. సో చదువు అనేది ముఖ్యమే, కానీ వాళ్ళని మరీ ఫోర్స్ చేసి చదివించితే వచ్చే లాభం కూడా ఏం లేదు. అందుకొరకని ఈ రోజులలో చాలా మందిని చూస్తుంటాం, ఆ ప్రెషర్ తట్టుకోలేక కదా, ఆ ప్రెషర్ తట్టుకోలేక, అమ్మ నాన్నతో సమాధానం చెప్పుకోలేక, టీచర్స్ తో మాట్లాడలేక, పెద్దల మన మనసులో ఉన్నటువంటి విషయాలు వాళ్ళు అర్థం చేసుకోక, కొంతమంది విద్యార్థులు చేరనటువంటి పొరపాట్లు అఘాయిత్యాలు చేసుకుంటున్నారు, సూసైడ్లు చేసుకుంటున్నారు, చనిపోతున్నారు ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ప్రెషర్ తట్టుకోలేక. కానీ అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. చదువు ఒకటే లైఫ్ కాదు. చదువుతో పాటు 1,00,000 మార్గాలు ఉన్నాయి బ్రతకడానికి. కానీ ఆ 1,00,000 మార్గాల్లో నువ్వు విజయం సాధించడానికి మాత్రం చదువు అనేది తప్పనిసరి. నేను అనేది ఏంటంటే, చదువుతోనే మన లైఫ్ సెటిల్ అవుతుంది, మన లైఫ్ ని డిజైన్ చేయొచ్చు అనేది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 100,000 మంది వింటున్నాం మనం, 1,000 మంది, 1,00,000 మంది చదువుకుంటున్నాం. అందరికి ఉద్యోగం రావాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదు కదా. కానీ మరి ఎందుకు చదవాలి సార్? చదువు అనేది మనిషికి సంస్కారాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. దానికి బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే, 2 ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారు, లైక్ రౌడీ నిఖిల్ అండ్ జిషాన్. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ దట్ చేంజ్ ద డివైస్ నేమ్స్. రౌడీ, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ప్లీజ్ ఓకే అచ్చా నామ్ రఖనా चाहिए हम लोग మనం వందల మందిలో వింటున్నప్పుడు కొంచెం ఆ పేర్లు అనేవి కూడా బాగుండాలి, మీదే ఇమేజ్ డ్యామేజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే సో అది మీ పర్సనల్, కానీ నా సజెషన్ అది. చెప్పండి, అఖిల్ అంటే నీకు జిషాన్ ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు. అఖిల్ బాగా చదువుతున్నాడు, జిషాన్ చాలా పేదవాడు, అతనికి చదవడానికి అంత స్తోమత లేదు. చిన్నతనంలోనే అతను ఏదో ఉద్యోగం చేసుకుంటూ, లేదంటే చిన్న చిన్న హోటల్లో పని చేసుకుంటూ, లేదంటే ఏదో ఒకటి బట్టల షాప్లో పని చేసుకుంటూ, హాస్పిటల్లో మెడికల్లో పని చేసుకుంటూ తన జీవితాన్ని కొనసాగించాడు. కొన్ని సంవత్సరాలు గడిచిపోయింది, అలా 10th అయిపోయింది, ఇంటర్ అయిపోయింది, వాళ్ళు మంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్ 5వ తరగతి వరకు 7th వరకు మంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్. అనుకోకుండా ఏమైంది, జీషాన్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ స్టాప్ చేశాడు. అలా కొన్ని సంవత్సరాలు గడిచిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఒక 20 ఏళ్ళ తర్వాత వాళ్ళు ఇంటర్ డిగ్రీ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యే లెవెల్లో వాళ్ళు కలిశారు ఒకసారి. అప్పుడు నాట్ అఖిల్, నిఖిల్. ఓకే, నిఖిల్ లైఫ్ బాగుంటుందా, జీషాన్ లైఫ్ బాగుంటుందా? వర్షిత్, టెల్ మీ, whose life will be better, Nikhil or Jishan? Nikhil. Okay, why? Because Nikhil బాగా చదివాడు, జీషాన్ మధ్యలోనే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఆపేశాడు, ఆర్థిక పరిస్థితులు బాగా లేక కదా. కానీ నిఖిల్ చదవడం వల్ల అతని యొక్క లైఫ్ అనేది బాగుంది, మంచి ఉద్యోగం వచ్చింది, అతను ఏం కావాలంటే అది చేసుకోగలుగుతాడు. ఓకే, ఉద్యోగం రాకున్నప్పటికీ తన దగ్గర చదువు ఉంది కాబట్టి ఆ చదువుతో పాటు ఎన్నో రకాలైనటువంటి పనులు అతను చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇదే రకంగా ఇంకొకటి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి. ఇద్దరు విద్యార్థులు ఉన్నారు, సేమ్, ఒకరు చదువుతున్నారు, ఇంకొకరు చదువుతలేరు. చదువుకోలేనంత మాత్రాన అతను ఏం చేశాడు, అనుకోకుండా కొత్త కొత్త పరిచయాలు ఏర్పడ్డాయి, రకరకాల అలవాట్లకు గురైపోయాడు. చెడు సాంగత్యం అంటే స్నేహితులు అంతా కూడా ఎలా ఉంటారు, వాళ్ళ బిహేవియర్, అన్ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పీపుల్స్, అన్ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ హౌ దే విల్ బి లైక్ అ మాస్ రౌడీ, లైక్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ డిఫరెంట్ యాటిట్యూడ్, హ్యాబిట్స్ దే విల్ గెట్. సో అలాగే మన విద్యార్థి కూడా ఒకరు అలాగే మారిపోయారు. మళ్ళీ కొన్ని సంవత్సరాల కలిసిన తర్వాత ఎలా ఉంటాడు, ఈ చదువుకున్నటువంటి విద్యార్థి పక్క పోరంబోకు, మాస్ లాగా, రౌడీ లాగా తయారైపోతాడు. చదువుకున్నటువంటి విద్యార్థి పద్ధతిగా, భయం భక్తి కలిగి, ఒక విధేయత కలిగి, సమాజంలో ఒక గుర్తింపును పొందుతూ ఉంటాడు. సో చదువుకున్నటువంటి గొప్పతనం అది. చదువు అనేది ఉద్యోగాన్ని తెస్తుందో లేదో నాకు తెలియదు, కానీ చదువు మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా మనిషికి సంస్కారాన్ని తెస్తుంది. అందుకే చదువుకోవడం. ఎస్ ఆర్? అందుకొరకే చదువుకోవడం. ఓకే, సో ఎడ్యుకేషన్ విల్ గివ్ ద నాలెడ్జ్, ద డిసిప్లిన్, the character, attitude, how to behave with us others. Education will give good fame and name. మిమ్మల్ని సెలబ్రిటీలను చేస్తుంది, మంచి విలువనిస్తుంది, సమాజంలో గొప్ప వాళ్ళని చేస్తుంది, గౌరవాన్ని ఇస్తుంది, రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇస్తుంది. రెస్పెక్ట్ కూడా కాదు సార్ మేము చదివేది, జాబ్ కోసం కావచ్చు. జాబ్ రావడం రాకపోవడం అనేది మీ చేతుల పని. ఇట్ ఈస్ డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ యూ. If you will study very well, then 100% you will get job. But job will come or not, I don't know. But 100% respect will come in the society. You will get a good attitude. You will continue your life with fully of good character. Why? Because that the total things, morals, ethics, all will get with education. Am I right or not? మనషికి సంస్కారాన్ని ఇస్తుంది చదువు అనేది. అదే చదువుకోక ఉండు ఒక సంవత్సరం ఎందుకు, ఇప్పుడు ఈ కరోనా కాలంలో 8 నెలలు అయింది కదా మీరు స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళక. ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళ పరిస్థితి ఎలా ఉంది, బుక్కులు పడితే కొత్త కనబడుతుంది. ఏదన్నా రాద్దామంటే ఓ పెద్ద అక్షరాలు, చేతి తిరగదు అసలు రాయడానికి. ఎందుకంటే లాంగ్ గ్యాప్. చదువుదాం, ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు చదివే వరకు బోర్ కొట్టేస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే నిన్నటి వరకు ఫ్రెండ్స్తోని చాటింగ్ అని, ఫోన్స్ అని, వాట్సాప్ అని అలా. కానీ అదేనా మన లైఫ్ లాంగ్ అలాగే ఉన్నావనుకో. ఒక్కసారి ఊహించుకో, రేపు నీ ఫ్రెండ్ సక్సెస్ అవుతాడు, నువ్వు ఇక్కడే ఆగిపోతావు. ఎంత ఘోరం కదా. కాబట్టి इन्हीं प्रश्नों को आमिर खान ने अपनी फिल्म तारे ज़मीं पर में उठाया है. फिल्म की कहानी इस प्रकार है. वो कहानी क्या है, कौन से प्रकार की कहानी है, कौन से प्रकार की समस्याओं का सामना क्या है, ईशान अवस्थी, ये पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन हम कल के पार्ट में सीखेंगे. और ये भी आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट, प्लीज कंप्लीट दिस तारे ज़मीं पर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आल्सो इन योर CW. Okay, we have only 3 questions. Just you read lesson first. रीड द लेसन। बच्चे के प्रति निकुंज सर के विचार कैसे हैं? बच्चों के जीवन में पाठशाला की क्या भूमिका होनी चाहिए? तारे जमीन पर समीक्षा का संदेश क्या है? ये पूरा अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो पाठ सुनने के बाद आप लोग का लिख सकते हो, तुम्हारी मर्जी। ओके, समझ में आया? रेणुका, डोंट सी हियर एंड देयर फर्स्ट। फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग ऑनवर्ड्स आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग टू यू. You're seeing the walls, the fans, everything, but not seeing on the screen. Okay, so what did I say? Please complete CW. Look at me. Complete CW and listen carefully and this study and come tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Tell me okay. Okay then. Bye everybody. Please take care of yourself.